Yeah, we saw from last videos sampling, quantization, and what is the type of quantization. Now, quantization error. So, any system having in actually theoretically we can say so it will give correct output, but practically some difference we will be get it from what you expected and what you got the real. So that's a difference between what you expected and what you got the original. So that difference we can say that is an error because everyone want expected output. The same thing also come from the real, but really in practical it is not possible. Some amount of the derivation might be there. So similarly in quantization also the input value, the difference between input value and quantized value. So this difference we can say there is a quantization error. Quantizer is a logarithmic function that's perform quantization. It's a round of value. Then analog to digital converter AD converter work as a quantization. So blue line and brown line. So blue is analog signal and brown staircase waveform. So if error is there, there's a blue line quantization error. And then quantization noise. So it's a type of quantization noise which usually occur in analog audio signal with while quantizing to digital. For example, in music, continuously the regularity is not found in errors. So the wideband noise that error created in a wideband noise, that is we can call the quantization noise. So quantization noise, that's a equation SQ of t equal to a q of x comma t. That's a quantization operation. Then nq of t equal to s of t minus sq of t. That's the expression of quantization noise. Then sq of t equal to s of t minus sq of t. So C, it's a bit one waveform. So uh, we saw from s of t, sq of t, nq of t. So that will be shown in this waveform. How when the uh, bit bit error, how the value might be changed, how the waveform will change. We will see bit 1 and bit 2, bit 1 and bit 2 and bit 3 and bit 4 and bit 5, bit 6, bit 7, bit 8, bit 9. So the bits of quantization, that increasing the quantization bit, the quantization error almost vanish. You see, again I will be show. So this is a quantization bit B. If you increase the quantization error almost vanish. See that red line is error bit 1 and bit 2, bit 3, bit 4, bit 5, bit 6, bit 7, bit 8. So this bit 8 you see the almost the quantization error is vanished. So if you increase the quantization bit, then the error of quantization almost will go gone. So next, logarithmic compounding. So logarithmic compounding, it's a company. Compounding means it's a combination of compression and expanding. So it's a combination of compression and expanding. So there are two types of compounding technique. One is A-law compounding, another one is mu-law compounding. So A-law compounding technique, the quantization achieved A equal to 1 and the characteristic curve linear, no compensation is done. The ELA has mid-rise at the region and non-zero value. The ELA compounding used in pulse code modulation telephone system. Mueller compounding technique, so uniform quantization. So this is achieved in mu zero while the characteristics curve is linear and no compression is done. The Mueller has mid-rate at the region, hence it contains zero value. The Ayala compounding has non-zero, this one is zero value. And Ayala compounding technique has mid-rise quantization origin and this one is mid-rate quantization origin. And Mueller compounding technique used to speech music signal and Mueller compounding is used to in North America and Japan. The Ayala compounding technique they are used in German countries and Mueller compounding technique used in North America and Japan. So Yala compounding technique. So I just now said European countries practicing this law. So they are expanding the mathematical expression and Yala compounding technique and compression in continuous domain. So the equation. So where x is the input signal and sine of x is the sine of input signal and modulus of x is the absolute value of x. So corresponding Euler expansion equation they shown if inverse of y equal to the equation is shown. Similarly, Mueller equation also having this equation used in North America, Japan. So this this function compound technique also having compression also expansion. So compression they have the equation f of x is equal to sine of x ln 1 of 1 plus mu of x divided by ln 1 plus mu. Similarly for expansion f inverse of y is equal to sine of y 1 plus mu of y modulation of y divided by mu minus 1. So this is a compounding technique, compression and expansion. So where x is input signal and modulus of x is absolute value, then y is compounded signal and modulus of y is absolute value. Then sine of x is a sine of input signal and sine of y is sine of compounded signal. So similarly mu is a 255 is a compression parameter. So defined by CCITT G.711. So next one types of modulation. That is we already know what is types of modulation we saw from first unit. Yeah. Okay. So remaining thing we'll see in next video. Thank you.